Ancient sounds, modern healing discovering solfeggio frequencies. These frequencies are not just random sounds, they are deeply rooted in history and spirituality, offering a bridge between the ancient and the modern world. Imagine ancient chants, their melodies echoing through time, holding the secrets to healing and well-being. These chants were more than just music. They were a form of communication with the divine, a way to connect with the universe on a deeper level. These are the roots of solfeggio frequencies, a series of 6 tones used in sacred music for centuries. The origins of these frequencies can be traced back to the Gregorian chants, which were believed to impart spiritual blessings when sung in harmony. These special sounds are believed to have profound effects on our minds and bodies. They are said to resonate with our very selves, promoting a state of harmony and balance that can lead to physical, emotional, and spiritual healing. Rediscovered in recent times, solfeggio frequencies are now being explored for their potential to reduce stress, promote healing, and enhance our overall health. Modern science is beginning to catch up with what ancient cultures have known for centuries. That sound can be a powerful tool for transformation. The most well-known solfeggio frequency is 528 Hz, often called the love frequency for its association with healing and DNA repair. This frequency is believed to resonate at the core of our being, helping to restore equilibrium and promote a sense of peace and well-being. Other frequencies in the solfeggio scale include 396 Hz for releasing fear and guilt, which can help us let go of negative emotions and past traumas that hold us back. 417 Hz for facilitating change, which can assist in breaking old patterns and creating new positive habits. This frequency is particularly useful during times of transition, helping us to navigate change with grace and ease. And 741 Hz for promoting expression and problem solving. This frequency can help to clear the mind, enhance creativity, and improve our ability to communicate and solve problems effectively. Each frequency carries its own unique vibration and potential for transformation. By incorporating these frequencies into our daily lives, we can tap into their healing power and experience a greater sense of harmony and well-being. Whether through listening to music, meditating, or using sound therapy tools, the possibilities are endless. The journey of discovering solfeggio frequencies is a path to inner peace and holistic health, inviting us to explore the ancient wisdom that still resonates in our modern world. The science of sound, how solfeggio frequencies work. Everything in the universe vibrates, including us. Our bodies are made up of energy that resonates at different frequencies. When we are exposed to external frequencies like sound waves, our bodies respond. Solfeggio frequencies are thought to work by resonating with specific energy centers in our bodies, known as chakras. These chakras govern various aspects of our physical, emotional, and spiritual well-being. By stimulating these energy centers, solfeggio frequencies can help to restore balance and harmony within us. Scientific studies have shown that certain frequencies can influence brainwave activity, heart rate variability, and even cellular function. Calming the mind. Solfeggio for anxiety, focus, and clarity. In today's fast-paced world, anxiety and stress have become commonplace. The constant hustle and bustle, the never-ending to-do lists, and the pressure to always be on top of things can take a toll on our mental well-being. It's no wonder that more and more people are seeking ways to find peace and tranquility amidst the chaos. Solfeggio frequencies offer a natural and effective way to calm the mind and find inner peace. These ancient sound frequencies have been used for centuries to promote healing and well-being. By listening to music or binaural beats tuned to these frequencies, you can tap into their powerful benefits and experience a profound sense of relaxation. The frequency of 396 Hz, for example, is known for its ability to release fear and guilt, promoting feelings of safety and security. This frequency can help to dissolve negative emotions and create a sense of grounding and stability. When you feel safe and secure, it's easier to let go of anxiety and embrace a state of calm. Listening to music or binaural beats tuned to this frequency can help to quiet the mind, reduce overthinking, and alleviate anxiety. Imagine sitting in a peaceful room with soft music playing in the background and feeling your worries melt away. The soothing sounds can help to create a tranquil environment, allowing you to relax and unwind. Similarly, the frequency of 741 Hz is associated with clear thinking, problem-solving, and self-expression. This frequency can help to sharpen your mind and enhance your cognitive abilities. Whether you're working on a creative project, studying for an exam, or simply trying to organize your thoughts, this frequency can provide the mental clarity you need. It can help to improve focus, enhance creativity, and promote a sense of mental clarity. By incorporating these frequencies into your daily routine, you can create a more balanced and harmonious state of mind. Whether you're meditating, working, or simply relaxing, Solfeggio frequencies can be a valuable tool for enhancing your mental well-being and achieving a state of inner peace. Chronic pain affects millions of people worldwide. While conventional medicine offers various treatments, many are turning to alternative therapies like sound healing for relief. Solfeggio frequencies have shown promise in reducing pain and promoting physical healing. The frequency of 528 Hz in particular is believed to stimulate cellular repair and regeneration. Studies have shown that exposure to this frequency can reduce pain perception, decrease inflammation, and accelerate wound healing. Other frequencies, such as 417 Hz and 639 Hz, are also used for pain management, promoting relaxation, and reducing muscle tension. A good night's sleep is essential for our physical and mental health. It allows our bodies to repair and rejuvenate, and our minds to process and consolidate memories. Without adequate sleep, we can experience a range of negative effects, from irritability and difficulty concentrating to weakened immune function and increased risk of chronic conditions. However, many of us struggle to fall asleep or stay asleep throughout the night. This can be due to a variety of factors, including stress, anxiety, and an overactive mind. The frustration of not being able to sleep can create a vicious cycle, making it even harder to relax and drift off. Solfeggio frequencies can be a valuable tool for improving sleep quality and promoting deep relaxation. These ancient sound frequencies are believed to have healing properties and can help to balance the body's energy. By listening to these frequencies, you can create a calming environment that encourages restful sleep. The frequency of 174 Hz, for instance, is known for its grounding and calming effects. This frequency can help to reduce pain and stress, making it easier to relax and fall asleep. It is often used in sound therapy to promote a sense of safety and security. Listening to this frequency before bed can help to slow down racing thoughts, relax the body, and prepare you for a restful night's sleep. Incorporating it into your nightly routine can create a sense of ritual and signal to your body that it's time to wind down. Other frequencies, such as 285 Hz and 963 Hz, are also used to promote sleep, reduce stress hormones, and enhance dream recall. The 285 Hz frequency is known for its ability to influence energy fields and promote healing, while the 963 Hz frequency is associated with pineal gland activation and spiritual awakening. By experimenting with different frequencies, you can find the ones that work best for you and create a personalized sleep soundtrack that supports your unique needs. To get started, you can find Solfeggio frequency playlists on various music streaming platforms, or use dedicated apps that offer a range of frequencies tailored for sleep. Set up a sleep playlist and use a sleep timer to ensure the music plays for a set duration, helping you drift off without interruption. With consistent use, you may find that Solfeggio frequencies become an integral part of your sleep hygiene routine, leading to deeper, more restful sleep and improved overall well-being.